Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to find the Downloads folder on your iPhone or iPad. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. If you've downloaded something from Safari or Google Chrome, but you can't find it anywhere, then it's probably in the Downloads folder. This process is the same for iOS 16, iOS 15, and even lower, and it doesn't matter if you have a newer or older iPhone. Open the files in your iPhone. Once you open them, you will see various documents, pictures, videos, and other items you have downloaded. Anything that you download from Safari or Google Chrome, whether it's a photo, video, song, and other stuff, will be saved into your Downloads folder. Another way to open files is that you can search files in here. Anything you download will be in here somewhere. If you can't find it, you can just search Downloads in the search bar. Then open this Downloads on my iPhone folder. This is where all of your downloads will be, so that's how you can find your downloads. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.